Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica here, and today I'm going to talk about two products from Saint Botanica. One is a night cream and another one is a coffee peel off mask. You all know that I love peel off mask, and recently I did DIY coffee peel off mask and I'm so excited to talk about this product. So before getting into that video, if you are a new person here on my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell and click all so that you'll be notified of my further videos. The first product that I'm going to talk about is from Saint Botanica Robusta Coffee Peel Off Mask. It contains coffee, caffeine and cocoa butter, and before that I'm also going to show you the live result, so that you can decide whether to invest your money on this or not and see how it works. And this is how the packaging is. It comes in a tube package and it's very sleek and luxurious. My mobile camera sucks, so let me show a close-up. So it says that it is free from paraben, silicone, mineral oil, sulfate, and it is also cruelty free because it's made in India. And it is also retails for 499 rupees for 100 grams of product. And it also says that it helps to detoxify our skin and remove blackheads, whiteheads, and also maintains the moisture balance. It also contains multani mitti, and it also contains niacinamide, vitamin E, aloe vera, lemon peel extract, licorice extract, which helps to lighten the blemishes, and it smells exactly like coffee. I love the smell. I have already washed my face, so I'm directly going on with application. Also guys, if you're going to try this product for the first time, please do a patch test. Don't directly apply anything to your face. Any natural DIY or any skincare makeup, do patch test, because there are different chemicals, different ingredient used in different products, and which may not suit everyone's skin type. So always do a patch test. What you can do is that take a small amount of any product that you're going to try, apply it on your neck or in your chin area, very little, and leave it for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and then wait for 24 hours to see if there is any reaction, and then go on with the usage of the product. I have myself had bad experience, especially I'm a blogger, so I try new products and I have spoiled my skin. So I'm telling you all, whenever trying a new product, do a patch test. So I'm going to leave this for about 30 minutes so that it's completely dry. And now comes the satisfying part. So my peel off mask is completely dry. I'm going to remove it. Always remove from downwards, okay, so that you don't end up pulling your skin or it leads to aging and sagging. So always any face mask you apply also from downwards to upwards, okay. So it's very easy to remove. It was not at all painful. It did remove some blackheads and whiteheads also from my nose actually, because I always get clogged pores because of my oily skin. And it also removed some facial hair and it wasn't painful. So if you have sensitive skin, do give it a try. And I could see the instant glow that it gave on my face, but any product you can't see like instantly it should work 100%. You have to use it consistently, and especially a product like this which contains antioxidants, vitamin E, it takes time to get absorbed and show the results. So I've now washed my face and I'm going to move on to our next product, which is from Saint Botanica vitamin E and hyaluronic brightening night cream. And this is how the outer packaging is. It's very luxurious. It looks like a very costly product. And this one contains vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, which is rich in antioxidant, and also it contains vitamin E, shea butter, pure oils like almond oil, extra virgin olive oil, argan oil, and also it contains green tea, moringa, aloe vera, another one I can't read. And it is cruelty free, no paraben, no silicone, no mineral oil, no sulfate. And all the ingredient lists are given on the package. It retails for 1199 rupees. It's always on discount. Amazon has discount, and also Flipkart, and also on Nykaa. I'll give the link in the description. You can check it out. And on the Saint Botanica website itself, they give it on discount, so you can go and check it out. And this is how the packaging is. It is not a glass package. It's a plastic one, but it feels very luxurious and heavy. And it smells very citrusy. which I don't like, very honest. I don't like the smell. It's very strong, maybe because of the ingredients, but the fragrance I couldn't tolerate. And it's very creamy, it's very thick. It's a night cream, so it has to be a thick cream so that it's very moisturizing at night. But for me personally, I prefer a night cream also to be a lightweight cream, because I have oily skin. I don't want to wake up with greasy oily skin. So yeah, that's about this product, but it would suit combination dry skin and normal skin. But if you have excessive oily skin, stay away from this product. And that's all for this today's video. And from the two products, I would say that I loved the coffee peel off mask. I loved it. And the vitamin C night cream, I would say that okay product, because maybe of my skin type I felt it's greasy. But do check out the peel off mask. I loved it and the result was amazing. Bye, I'll see you in my next video. Take care, love you all, be safe. Also, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking here, it's free. And also watch my other videos.